How to enable voice access on Samsung Galaxy phone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable voice access on your Samsung Galaxy phone. With voice access, you can use your voice to control your phone, like saying go to home, navigate your device. It's perfect for accessibility and convenience. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your phone settings, and after that, go to the accessibility setting. In your settings app, scroll down and tap on accessibility. This is where you can manage various accessibility features. Now, next step is to enable voice access. Once in the accessibility menu, scroll down to the interaction and dexterity section. Here you'll find the voice access option. Tap on it to open the settings. Turn on voice access. In the voice access menu, you'll see a toggle at the top that says use voice access. Turn it on by tapping the switch to enable voice access. Then after that, if this is your first time using voice access, you may need to grant some permissions. Just follow the prompts on your screen and tap allow to grant the required permission for voice access to work. And that's it, you've successfully enabled voice access on your Samsung Galaxy phone.